His second question is about a mistake in ruku'. Again, this is the same problem. If you bend your back and you put your hands on your thighs, on your knees, on your legs, whatever it is, whoever looks at you, would he say that you are performing ruku' or bowing in salat or not? If the answer is not, then your rak'ah is invalid. If the answer is yes, everybody knows that you're performing ruku' with small technicalities here or there, then there's no problem in that. How do I know? Knowledge after knowledge. You have to learn your religion. And I always tell my followers who ask me, alhamdulillah, on my YouTube channel, there is the series of Umdatul Ahkam, which I did 8-9 years ago in Mumbai in India for Peace TV. It's a full series in high definition, covering the whole fiqh. And it's for free. May Allah reward Dr. Zakir Naik for what he has provided for the ummah. It is free. You can just watch it, learn your religion, and wallahi, you will seldomly, rarely find these whispers coming to you again.